Our Tasmania trip continues, but we are saying goodbye to the beautiful Bay of Fires, goodbye clear blue seas, orange boulders, and amazing white beaches. And hello to the wild, wild west.
It is seriously steep. We're literally riding down a cliff. Oh, Queenstown, Tasmania. I'm excited. Always excited. So I think this is going to be totally different to anything I've ever ridden, and pretty sure it's going to be totally different to anything you can ride in Australia. It just looks super exposed and yeah, gnarly. Apparently the blues are like blacks and the blacks are like death. I'm keen. Feels like the Wild West. This is really cool. So he's at a bar as well.
Yeah, we do.
So good.
Roam Wild are the only shuttle company in Queenstown that can take you and your bike to the top of Mount Owen. It's $30 for a single uplift or $59 for a half day. I'll leave a link in the description to the Roam Wild website and you can suss it out. My nerves were already a little shot from the exposed road we had to drive up to reach the top.
Oh, I'm going for it. I'll see you down there.
So I'll start on a blue trail called Waterfall and hopefully work my way up to some harder trails after that.
Oh my God, this is insane. Yep. And it's rocky. Oh wow. Oh my. This is so unique. Oh, very cool. Woo! Oh, are you kidding me? Oh. Oh, there's the stonework. Oh my God. Yes, I'm holding on so tight. It is so loose. It's gnarly. Woo! Very crazy. All right, here we go. Oh, don't look over the edge. Oh, yes. I don't know how to get my head around the exposure, or if I can. Oh, the switchbacks. The dirt art switchbacks. Here we go. Oh, zero control. Yes. Very skatey and sketchy and awful. We're riding on Mars. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, very cool. Oi. Oh yes. Woo! Terrifying. That was so hard to stay relaxed. I was freaking the f out. Now we are climbing out from the bottom of the waterfall. Oh yeah, no hiding from the elements out here. Oh, where the hell are we?
Once we climb out from the bottom of Waterfall, we descend down another fun trail called Welcome to Queenstown.
Yes, dude. Oh, nice. Just turned to white. White rock. Oh yes. What an epic first run. 15K is one run in. Pretty crazy. Survived.
I didn't see you take off.
I wasn't sure how much time we had, you know, so I was like,
I
oh,
know, I've got a little 6-month-old baby, so I'm like, I gotta get back and do a feed before the next.
you are mad. I have a 1-year-old and she's off her head.
Then it's back to the shuttle to try to tackle some of the black trails. And the black diamond I'm chasing is called the North Owen Descent. And it starts on the top of North Owen. To get there, we have to take Chimoni's Traverse, fun, technical blue trail.
Very cool view. Yes, that was sick. Oh mate, this is so cool. Oh, you just do not want to ride off the edge of the switchback. You will be toast. Oh, now we're climbing. So to get to the black trail, we have to go up Summit Loop. We'll get up there and then see how I feel. Oh, Mount Owen North Descent. Oh, she's janky. Oh mate, oh, it's very steep. I think we can pull it off. Oh, it's so hard to stay relaxed when you're so scared too. Why am I so scared? Don't die. Don't die, Froff dog. Alright, let's do it. Rule 1 is don't die. Just take it easy. Oh yeah, it is seriously steep. Gnarly already. Oh shit. Oh yes, alright. Woo! Oh, mate. Oh wow. Oh yeah. This is a different sort of mountain biking. Oh, the camera will not do this justice, but I'm telling you, this is one of the steepest trails I've ever been down. Yes. Oh, very unique, very scary. Oh my god. Oh, you're allowed to dab on the uphills. That's the rule. They're the rules. Oh, insane. We just rode down that. That was so scary. Here comes the comrade. Nice one.
What did you do?
I went down the black one. I just slid the whole way down.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is brutal.
We are pushing to the top of the new double black diamond trail, Natural Selection. This wasn't my idea. My new mate Megan wanted to check it out, and I knew I would regret it if I didn't have a look. To say I was scared would be an understatement. I was shitting myself.
I'd say this is it.
That's it.
Alright, I'll follow you if you like.
Oh, I was gonna follow you.
I got the GoPro.
Oh, come on, you can't get me walking.
Alright, I'll go. Oh, natural selection. Whew. Right. Definitely not rollable.
Not bad if you kind of know what to expect when you climb.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, very cool though. Oh my God. Oh, changing. Woo! Boulders flying off the edge. Oh, you can roll it. I don't know if you can roll that. No, you can't. You're right, I was a little lost then. I'll follow you for a bit.
Okay.
It's pretty fun though.
It's really enjoyable following. I don't really have to think.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Wait. Oh. Oh wow! Oh! Woohoo! Yes! Oh, so loose. Oh no, it's all good. Oh wow, that is insane.
Yeah, that's fun.
That is very cool. Is it rollable?
Yeah, it's one of those. I might.
Do you want to run up? Oh, the wind. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. This looks very sketchy. Whoa, that's scary enough. Oh, so good. Go off the cliff. What way do we go? Are you kidding me? It doesn't really let up, does it? Is that definitely the way? It's very steep. Oh, you're mad. Oh my God! Oh, damn! This is one of the hardest trails I've ever ridden. Oh. Oh, bottom bracket. Woo! We're literally riding down a cliff. This is so gnarly.
Holy shit.
It's one of those ones where you start sliding and you're like, I hope there's something to catch me.
Exactly.
Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, nice. Oh, nice one. Oh, good work. That was one of the hardest drives I've ever ridden.
Oh man, crushed it. Oh,
That was so sick.
I'm so glad you came.
Those first two drops, I was like, oh my God, we are doomed.
Queenstown, Tasmania, you scary, beautiful thing. That ride down Natural Selection is one that I'll never forget. It was like nothing else I've experienced on two wheels. If you're looking to ride something that's out of the norm and will leave a lasting impression, Queenstown is your town. Thanks for watching, legends, and I'll see you on the next one.